This is a demonstration of a Viking 6010 6010 sewing machine. The machine does work, the motor works, and it's very strong, but apparently there's some feet under here that under the faceplate that draw the material through, and those feet have to push up against the material, and a spring actually should be holding those feet up there, but either the spring is not working or is missing. I don't know, and that's what I am assuming is wrong, because the material is not pulled through. Therefore you can't really sew with it the way it is. But I did want to show you that the motor functions, and because I'm not an expert, I'm listing this as for parts or repair, and you can see that it does function. And here's the demonstration. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please let me know.